Ever feel like your career is just happening to you rather than something you're intentionally shaping? You're not alone. And that's exactly where the University of Michigan Professional Education's Career Design Workshop comes in. Career Design is a half-day, in-person workshop hosted in partnership with the University of Michigan Detroit Center. Through hands-on activities and guided reflection, it helps professionals at any stage align their career with their goals, values, and purpose. This isn't just another planning session. It's a proven framework to help you gain clarity and create an actionable plan for both your professional and personal growth. Led by Dave Ostreicher, who used these same principles in his career as both a Toyota executive and University of Michigan educator, you'll leave with more than inspiration. You'll leave with a map for your future. Throughout the session, you'll explore your values, evaluate how you spend your time, and reflect on key life milestones to begin crafting your story, past, present, and future. Whether you're early in your career, midway through, or preparing for your next chapter, Career Design gives you the space and the strategy to align your ambitions with your values. It's time to stop drifting and start designing. Join us and take the first step towards living the life you actually want to lead.